What's up, guys? We're here at the Civic Theatre in Auckland. We are about to witness 7 of the world's best magicians coming together to perform the impossible. It's the Illusionists. Let's go check it out. We're hanging out here with Kevin and Antonio. You guys up there were amazing.
I appreciate that.
How do you do it? Can you give us...
You know, the secret is such a small part of it. It's more about how it makes you feel. It's This particular one is designed to really try to shock you. So.
Well, it did. It shocked us. I wasn't expecting that.
If you come later tonight, we'll actually put him together with a staple gun.
This is where the real magic happens. This is Eddie. How's it going, mate?
What's up, too?
What's up, brother?
Man.
Now, where are you from, bro?
Los Angeles.
LA, baby.
It's California, boy. West Coast.
West Coast, baby. Now, you do all the music, and the music is absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
How long have you been practicing and putting all this together?
Started in Sydney at the Opera House last year in January, and it's been beautiful ever since. It's just been a natural progression of amazingness.
You've been doing this for a while now. Is it still exciting, you know, the magic and when you see people, how they react to it?
To me, it's a wonderful thing because to be in such a beautiful stages around the world and to have an audience come and sit down and look at you like you gotta make me forget of my day and make me feel good. It's a wonderful feeling. And when they leave the theater, they leave with the enchantment and going, what I saw, it was not real, but it looks real. So it's the most beautiful thing. And the movie is nothing but an imagination, but they can make it look so real that you cry, you feel, you anger. And so it's pretty much what we bring it within ourselves.
And all to help create the illusions and the magicians. Do the tricks get better and better, or do you actually know how they do them? You must know the secrets.
That's my answer. I like you. You're cool. I don't want to have to offer you like that.
Can I just touch one of the buttons? Will it make a sound?
Welcome to 4. I'm Eddie Cole, taking over for 2. I don't know what I'm doing, but I hope you like me.
It's a wonderful. Thank you very much, New Zealand, and we're looking forward to come see us. And from the Illusionists to all of us, I thank you.